Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly, and this is a cleaning throughout the week with me. You will see a few outfit changes. This is just cleaning that I do throughout the week. No specific routine. There was a lot of laundry that I was behind on, so I'm doing a ton of laundry, trying to get that tackled, and also picking up my room, vacuuming, you name it, I was doing it. So I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below. What is your favorite room to clean in the house? For me, it is the kitchen and the living room. I just feel so relieved when they are done, but I would like to extend that into my bedroom as well. So I hope you enjoy and follow along. I'm just quickly doing my first little batch of laundry and actually putting the clothes away, hanging them up, putting them in the dresser. That always seems to be my biggest issue. I can put laundry into the washer and dryer all day long, but when it comes to folding and putting them away, I feel like it just takes so long, but in reality, it doesn't. So I really am trying to push myself to be way better with laundry. It will make me feel so much better. Everything will be more organized and put together, and I think in the end I will save myself a lot of time. So let's do this. I know I'm not the only one, so let's all do this together. There will be a nursery organization video coming soon, so make sure your bell notifications are turned on so you're notified of when that comes up. We will do that when we come back from our vacation. We leave in a week, so there's a lot going on. There's going to be a lot of pack with me videos and how to pack for Hawaii videos, so stay tuned for that. I'm also going to do a deep clean before vacation and a cleanup after vacation video, because I think that would be really helpful. There's a lot to get done before you're going on vacation, so motivation is needed. So stay tuned for that as well. Those videos are coming up. I have recently decided to switch to posting 2 times a week instead of 3 times a week, as it is now summer and I do work a full-time job. But I love this organizer in the closet for all of our diapers, bibs, and rags. So let me know if you want to know where anything is from. I will be sure to link below if I can find them. For now, I am continuing on with laundry. I am going to put away some of my clothes, get them hung up as well.
Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe.
And now on to the next morning. As you saw in that last clip, my boyfriend and son came home, so it was time for mom duty.
Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. redemption. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is the one.
And you're probably thinking, how the heck is that hamper already full when she's been doing laundry this whole video? And believe me, I get it. I don't know. It's literally my life. I'm surrounded by laundry and it just never ends. But now to the most satisfying part of this whole video is my vacuum lines.
Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking.
And we are about to clean up the room, and then I will also be doing the dishes as well. This is a full total disaster, whole house clean with me. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Let me know, is there a specific room that you would rather see? Do you want me to break down how I deep clean my kitchen or deep clean my bedrooms when it's time to do that? What things are you needing to see? I am planning on doing some closet organization as well. Link below. Would you rather me do the linen closet or my clothes closet for my clothes? They both need to be done desperately. I don't know which one to do first, so let me know what you would rather see below, and that's what I shall do first. I am so ready to go through all of his toys again and get rid of everything. He doesn't even play with them hardly. He plays with the balls that are in there, and then everything else in the kitchen is what he plays with. He doesn't care too much about his toys, and it's time to just get rid of them all so that when he does play with his toys, he's more focused on just one and really learns the ins and outs of it. It's better for his development, I feel like, that way. I know for me, clutter is overwhelming and fogs my brain, so I'm sure it's like that with him too with the toys. So I think that will help, and I will donate them to either a women's shelter or our, we call it a DI here in Utah. Shout out below if you are in Utah. I know what I'm talking about, but it's basically a thrift store, like a Goodwill or Savers, but it's local here. So I will be donating a ton of toys to them as well. So I will probably include that in his bedroom organization declutter video. Now onto the kitchen. I swear I'm cleaning these counters daily, all day. They never stay clean. All I want is everything off of my counters. It just gives me hives to look at it with everything cluttered on there. But I am just doing all these shameless plugs of all of my upcoming videos, but I have so many ideas. I've been so crazy busy with work and planning for our vacation. So the funds have been limited to add to making videos and everything. But when we come back, I have so much I'm looking forward to with filming. We're going to do a clean and decorate for summer with me. With all of my gray tones, what colors do you think would look better as a pop of color to do for my accents for summer? I'm thinking purple because I love that orchid and how it pops out against the backsplash. I love that, and I also am thinking of doing lemons or something. Let me know below, what do you think would look best? But thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope